What's this? Is this your baby sister's blanket? Hey, hey, look at here. Smell it. Oh, that's Maya. That's Maya smell. That's Maya smell. Smell. Yeah. You like this smell? Oh, that's Maya. What's that? Oh, look what we got here. This is Maya's shirt. You're gonna play with it, aren't you? Ooh, what's that smell like? Is that your sister? Come here. Hey. Hey. You want to get into the good stuff. Okay, hold on. Oh, come here. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, Cebu, there's so many smells. Yeah. That's Maya's smell. You smell Maya? Huh? You smell Maya? I know you probably prefer to eat that, huh? Yeah, that's Maya. That's your sissy. No, you can't. I know. You can smell it. You can smell it. Yes, you can. Can you sit? Sit. Good. Sit. Smell. Shh. I know. You smell in there. You smell in there. Okay, we're not going to eat it. All right. Good job. And then this is a baby Maya. It's a baby Maya shirt. This is a baby Maya blanket. I know. You want the diaper. Smell. Yeah. Hey. Come here, kiddo. Yay, Cebu. Cebu. Yeah. Did you think that was breakfast? I don't think so. All right. It's a good start, huh? Yeah? Okay. Okay. You're so predictable.